Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built the kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar hold, outside bar go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5.
Yeah. I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll.
Yo, what's up? What's up, what's up? Take profit. Take profit. What's up? Just Jeremiah in the house. Yo, Jim. Corey 2S. Sammy Sam. Sammy. Real Robot. Mahmood in the house. Teachable. What's up? D-Mitch. Yo, Jim. Russell Singh. Raylan. Corey 2S. JLB. Kato. Shatan. It's Walk to You. Hey, what's up, Walk to You? What's going on? Good to see you, man. I think long time no see, maybe. Orlando. What's up? What's up, what's up? Let's get this tweeted out. Let's tweet this out. Here, I'll tweet it out. Let's do it. Who else we got in the house? Orlando, just Jeremiah. Smash that like button. He says, Brian, what's up? It's Mo, bro. Tommy C. Moses. Jeannie in the house. What's up, Jeannie? How was everyone's day today? That's the question. How was everyone's day? What side is it dark on? This side. There we go. Now everyone can see my marvelous face. Denise, Rach GT, Kato, Stephanie. Got quarter of my live. I'm nervous. Oh, fifth of my live. I'm nervous. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna trade. Tommy C. Went horrible. Rach GT. Amazing. Just traded your eval though. Let's get this started. Let's go. I'm gonna trades. What's up? What's up? Hey, Glenn, what's going on? So, yeah, so today was actually not a bad day. I blew a eval last night on stream. You guys know that. And then I ended up getting in the hole big time on this account. Let's see if I can show it. Well, let's just do this week. Yeah, so I ended up getting in the hole on this account. You can see right through here last night on a stream. And then I remember I locked myself out and battled back. So I ended up battling back and got a nice $685 payout on the same pro account right here. So not too bad. And then I restarted another eval and hit 50%. Or just about 50%. And then my funded futures, I passed a builder account and I actually got one. I'm activating a builder account and then I got one to 50% on that too. Because a rapid. I got a rapid at 50%. So the stream, if you guys caught my stream this morning on my funded futures TV, I ended up the same way. I ended up down right off the start. And then ended up battling back throughout the hour and a half stream, and then ended up catching a nice little short and got my money back and actually hit 50% on that account. So that was it. That was it for me. But overall, kind of a wild day, pretty volatile, right? Big 2-minute candles, lots of volatility. I think some people made a lot of money today and lost a lot of money, but we're going to give away an account. I'll give you guys the option. Whoever wins, we're going to do one for you grays in the chat. So the one for the grays, and then we'll do one for the members. But I'll give you the option of a Take Profit Trader account or a Lucid. So whichever you pick, you can have 50K Lucid Flex or 50K Take Profit Trader. That's going to be the giveaway tonight. Guys, we are on we're just on the giveaway trains. Seems to be every night. Oh, yeah, I probably ought to start that, huh? Exclamation point Pine. I didn't do that yet. We'll see how it is. We'll do that towards the end of the stream, right? But we'll see how that goes. Might do a shotgun. You never know. So let's go. Do I copy trade TP? I'm still a gray. You are still gray. Do I copy trade TBT accounts? Yeah, if I have them over the buffer, I do. Yeah. Yep. Just like I did with my trade day account. So trade day, I copy trade them reeled over. And I had 3 accounts. I copy traded them once they were over the buffer. And my goal was to make $250 each on them each day, because that's the minimum payout. And so I would do that every day and make, pocket about $600 in the pocket after commissions. Just copy trading those 3 accounts. I did that for, what would you guys say, about 2 weeks? And then they moved me to live, so I'm waiting. I'm still waiting on my live accounts. Haven't heard anything yet. But Kato, you hoping to win and you never win? I know. It's tough. It's tough. What's up, Adam? Adam Daz in the house. Diggity Daz. TPT has 50% consistency now. Yeah, they always had 50% consistency. You still have to trade it for 5 days, though. I'm going to trade. So they still have 50% consistency, but you still have to trade it for 5 days. But what I do is I just flip for the 3 days if I hit 50%. In this case, I'm probably going to end up having trading on a 3rd day anyway. But yeah, you still have to get it in that 5 days. Oh, that's cool. I'm going to trade. I didn't even know you could do that. The top for points. We got Uncle Mo up there for 259. Is that 259? No. 2 million. Points. Wow. Terry trades, his Royal trades. Haven't seen his Royal in a while. Where's his Royal at? Where you at? He's probably taking a break. Trading break. Investors. Madi. Biblical. I'm going to trade right up there in 7th place, man. I'm going to trade in the house. Michelle, what is up, Michelle? How'd you guys like that hour-and-a-half stream on My Funny Futures TV this morning? It was a little roller coaster. It was pretty intense on my part. I think I ended up making like, I don't even know, 20 trades. 20 trades and then scaling in and scaling out, which actually count for trades. Probably like over 50 trades. Not anymore. Just lost them, yeah. Up 550 on your 25K eval. Let's go. Hey, Johnny Biesland, what's up? All right, we got about 30 seconds before the market opens. Good luck, everyone. I'm going to work on this take profit trader eval. I traded quite a bit this morning. I'm going to try to be patient. Just wait for the outside bars, inside bars, things like that. The I think trade last night absolutely crushed me and burned me. So let's not try to do that. And then as soon as take profit trader updates their dashboard, I'm going to take out that daily payout. So that's what it's all about. 685 on that daily. People asked me today, like, ooh, a little gap up here. Market only goes higher. Buy the dips. Hey, Trader's Nest, what's up? Wild Boar. Trader 007. What's up, Peter? What's up? What's going on, man? Oof, pushing up here, 27.79. Take a look at the 5 here. I'm going to switch to mini here. Puro. What's up, Puro? Good to see you. All right. What's going to happen here? We got CL pushing up. I mean, not pushing up. Pushing. Well, it's kind of pushing up. It did drop a little bit. Take a look at the old gold here. I haven't been trading any gold at all. I haven't been trading any gold or any CL or any silver. ES with a nice gap up too. We do have some zero prints down below. We have some zero prints down below here. Gotta try to time a reversal to catch some of it, though. I mean, maybe at this 80. Just spiked up to that 89. I'll take a little stab short here. Targeting some of these zero prints down below. Stops to break even. I'm not letting this run against me. Stops to break even. All right, I'm taking it off there for $100. So it's just trying to run some of those zero prints. All right, let's settle in. Wait for an outside bar here. Hey, Bear Trader in the house. P-Long. What's up? Cali St. Louis fan, what is going on? Thank you, Piero. I'm gonna trade W's. Let's go. Yeah, just a quick one. Get some points on the board. $95 after commissions. We do have those zero prints down here in the 60s. But I would like to see some sort of setup first. My setup right there was that rejection off that pine line. And then just keeping that tight stop above. All right, we do have an inside bar here. We did break an inside. I don't generally like to take these, but I'm gonna try it. Try another short here off this inside bar. 2-minute charts. I don't generally trade these just because I like the outside bars the best, but we do have some prints down there at 61, and it did trigger a short. So stop's going to be at 83. A little negative R&R. And we got a bunch of prints down there. Let's take a look at the 5-minute here. Got a little workout in today after stream. Went and got the blood work done. I had to fast all day. I had to fast until 2:30 today, which is not a bad thing. And went and got a little pump in. Come on, get down there. Not sure what the gap up was. If that was based off any news or anything like that in the market. Love to place my stop at the high. See how much I'm actually risking if I place it at the high. 400. It's quite a bit. I am up 100. But if I can look for maybe a gap fill down in these zero prints, that would be nice. Because I'm not sure what the catalyst was to, besides just the market always goes up. short off this inside bar on a 2-minute chart. We should have a few more minutes left on that 5-minute candle. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We will do a giveaway. Your choice. Take Profit Trader or a Lucid account. How about that? 2 badass accounts right there. Top of the food chain accounts. Cherry pie, wasabi. iTrades, what's going on? What's up, man? Yeah, we will do a members only too. A little bit later. Diego, you want one? Don't we all? What's up, Lay? Doing good. Yep, nice daily payout today. Passed an account. Hit 50% on some other accounts. You're doing pretty good. All right, we are just chopping around. Stops at 27,789.75. Just at the swing high. Looking for a zero prints down below. Do have some zero prints up above. Hopefully we don't go for those. But we could definitely have some more unfinished business down in here at the 55 and 51, and maybe possibly fill that gap. What's up, trading bars in the house? Hate the gap up every day. I know. Every day. Almost bank on it, right? Just at market close. Too bad we couldn't swing trade on some of the props, right? You just buy at market close. Get a nice gap up, close it when the market reopens. But unfortunately, we can't swing trade with most of the props. Someone gift me a membership. Can't do that. It doesn't actually. It's all random. Yeah, it's all random. On TPT accounts, does activation fee apply to get funded? Like when you get one with the reward points? Yeah, if you get one, if you get funded with the rewards points, yes, you have to pay for the activation fee. TradeView orders are lagging. Oh no. Stream looks blurry. Does the stream look blurry? Might just have to put it on 1080 like this. Just go down here and put it in 1080. Clear now? Yeah, probably just a little internet issue. You live in the backwoods, you get poor internet. The ones that give away, no, you don't. Nope. As far as I know, they changed it. It used to be yes, but then no. Now it's no. Even with Take Profit Trader. So hopefully that's still the case, unless they changed it. Yeah, no problem. Starlink is working well for you. Nice. Yeah, I'm on T-Mobile. T-Mobile 5G. Portable home internet thing. At home, I have a direct. At my other place, I have direct connected. But even there, I can't get great internet. It's all cable internet. They don't have fiber internet or anything where I live, unfortunately. Exclamation point market is rigged. Yeah, I know. It's nuts, right? I'm thinking about getting Starlink. Starlink would actually work pretty well. Maybe at my house, especially when if I lose power. Because I have a generator, but if I lose power, I lose internet because the internet comes from the power pole. So, and what's the point of having power if you don't have internet nowadays? What do I want? To turn on my lights? Who cares about my lights? I sit in the dark, and I have wood stove. I have heat. I can cook. I have a gas stove, and then cook on the wood stove too. But yeah. Been thinking about switching to fiber. Yeah, you have Starlink too, Bear Trader. Nice. A lot of people. My microwave? No. It won't run my microwave, and it won't run my... It runs everything else. It runs my electric hot water heater. It will not run my dryer, because it's an electric dryer, and it will not run my microwave. It tries to run my microwave, but you can just feel the... Run the AC, yeah. It's 10,000. It's a 10,000 watt generator. It's pretty big. Not massive, but it's not bad. You got a bow and arrow? Get them squirrels? Yeah. I got a bow and arrow. I got a crossbow too. That crossbow is freaking awesome. We'll eat just fine. The freezer is always full in the Pine Tree Trader House. The freezer is always full. Starlink is a backup. Always need option living in the middle of the ocean. Yeah, Rick St. Thomas. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can imagine. Do I hunt? Yeah, I do. Thank you, Piero. Zombie crawl up. Zombie crawl up's gonna face my crossbow here. Just ugly here. Ugly move here. Whole home is 15K. Oh, wow. Ever hunted in Texas? No, just Maine. Well, that's a lie. I hunted in New Hampshire before. Just Maine. Bring back MHP. I don't know. I mean, obviously it's a bot, but at first I read it, yo, Jim. At first it said bring back. I thought it said MP, like Michael Patak. It's like, what did Top Step fire Michael Patak? Is this a petition to bring him back? The funny thing is, I feel like I've seen some of these names before. Maybe they're bots. I mean, obviously they're bots, but I feel like I've seen some of the names before. What's up, 0KJ? What's going on? Summertime up here, up there, from like. Oh, is the summertime up there like from July 1st to July 2nd? Yeah, yeah. My father's running the wood stove today. Yeah, I just talked to him. He's like, I go, what are you doing? He's like, I'm starting the wood stove. So it's about 45 degrees, damp, chilly in Maine. Yeah, right now. Spring comes very late. MHP is a Scooter Boys thing. Oh, weird. Oh, the rocket scooter level? Oh, weird. Dr. Blaze in the house. Thank you so much. Oh, monthly hedge pressure? Oh, yeah. Okay, that makes sense. I was like, at first I thought it was, the, Michael Patak. I didn't see the H there. Yo, I'm staying at this hotel and someone knocked on the door, so I go open it and this chick in a thin silk robe. I was like, can I help you? She said, now that you read this, far, smash the like. Let's go, Trader Moe's. Is today the most streaming you've ever done? No. No. I used to stream it. I used to stream bell to bell to try to build the channel up. Yeah, I used to stream bell to bell. No one was watching. No, we get a lot of streams under our belt now. I mean, we're between My Fun and Futures TV and then grinding every single day. It's just a constant grind. But this is just nasty. What is this? I'm just going to leave the trade. Even though there's no setup anymore, I'm just going to leave the trade on because it's 50-50 coin flip at this point. And if it pushes down into those zero prints, then win-win. If not, then we get stopped out. We'll be down $300 on the account. How did you grow? Just consistency? Yeah, a lot of consistency. And then streaming this time. So when I first started streaming, I just streamed during the market open. But of course, there's a lot of competition. You know, you have a lot of the big streamers streaming the market open, and you know, I'd have a few people. There's a few people that are still watching today that were there, but for the most part, I couldn't get more than 15 people to watch. And even that took a long time to get even 15 people to watch. And then like Methodical Man had me on the stream, and that helped me out during the early days. That helped me out a bit. But then one day I just said, you know, I saw Stock Tiger streaming during the Globex Open, and I was like, there was no one streaming. Like, no one streaming at that time except Stock Tiger. And he'd have a couple hundred people watching, and I was like, wow. It's like, let me try that. So I just started streaming the Globex. It started building from there. When is the 24/7 channel coming? I don't know. Yeah, I know. This is summer. I might do something every hour candle open. Pretty nasty. I mean, the market close was actually very, very small candles and just kind of chopping around and didn't really do much. So I'm not surprised, but I was surprised with a little gap up. 3 inside bars on the 5-minute. That's pretty rare. Yeah, you don't see that too often. I'm just going to get out of this trade. I'm just out. I'm not going to pain myself. Down 75 now. Should have just stuck with that first trade off the rip. We'll wait for some market movement here. There's no sense of forcing trades. We'll do a giveaway tonight. If the market doesn't move, so be it, but it's just painful. Do a 24-hour when you get 10,000 subscribers, KB. Man, I gotta sleep. I know I've done, I think the longest stream I've done, I think I did like a 13, 14-hour one once. Way back at the beginning. Yeah, no one has successfully done a 24-hour stream yet. Remember when Nutty tried to do it? He tapped out. And then I think someone else tried to do it, then they tapped out. So no one's successfully done it. I know Methodical Man's done like 13, 14 hours before. Looking like a bear flag on the 15-minute. Yeah. It's just not doing, it's flat. You could make an argument on it for sure. Right now, it's just like, you're just trying to make predictions, you know. It's like, well, it could push up to there, it could push back down to the gap. It's, you know, it's one of those deals. I'm just gonna try to stay flat until the market really starts to move here. Down 75 bucks, no big deal, but that's just me personally. Hey, what's up, Lassifer Trader? The freaking moose is outside your house again, Glenn. Where did you say you lived? You say you live in a... Do you know how many Tradeify accounts you can have, funded accounts you can have at one time? Yeah, 5. No one in 24-hour streams channel. You play your old streams back to back. Yeah, you could. You could. I've seen people do that. Play their old streams. But I don't think the YouTube algorithm would like that too much. Little Wang Jan Im. Do I take all my profits out each day on Take Profit Trader Pro? Yes. Yeah, anything over the buffer, I take it out. I'm glad I got out of this short now. Might try to break out of this little idiot box, but won't believe it when I see it. But yeah, anything over 2,000 bucks, I take out. Yep. Especially if I have a 150K. If I'm over 4,500 on a 150K, take it out every time. Do we have a Tokyo session? Let me take a look. I think we do. Unless the bank holiday's continuing. Is it a bank holiday for Japan too again? Or was that just last night? I think that was last last night. It is confusing. Let me take a look. Yeah, we should be good to go. It was Japanese banks will be closed in observance of Children's Day. And that was technically yesterday or last night. So we should be good for the Tokyo Open, I believe. Who else we got in the chat? Thank you for the sub, Danny Nguyen. Appreciate you. Hey, what's up, Alfred? Good to see you, man. Still stopped 782. Still waiting on the 2K from Apex. Oh, really, Russell? Hopefully it goes okay. What's good, Fiber Splice? You think tonight's a bank holiday as well? Yeah, it says all day, but it's like a new day there, so I'm confused. But yeah, maybe. Because it said all day last night too, on the Forex Factory. I don't know. Hopefully we get some market movement. Would make sense on why the market's not really moving. Golden Week in Japan off until Thursday. Oh, okay. Mo. Well, there you go. No ICT. Coach Fred, no ICT traders are allowed to trade when there's a bank holiday anywhere in any country in the world. Yeah. Exactly. Members only giveaway first. Yeah, we can do it. No, actually, well, I already have the giveaway going. You got to run somewhere, dividends for keeps. For members, you don't have to be present as long as you're in the Discord. I'll make that rule. But obviously you got to get it in. That won't work either. Oh, thank you, Alfred. Yeah, Golden Week. All right. Well, it's going to be pretty lame, I guess, this week for the Asian markets. I was lucky to get back what I lost last night. Especially on that pro account. I thought for sure I was going to lose it. I got down, $1,000 on the pro and then managed to grind back. It's one of those things where it's hard to walk away red once you have those pro accounts and you start to slip under that buffer. It's hard to walk away red. Because when I say daily payout accounts, you don't have to get daily payout accounts every day, but Pegasus in the house. Oh, yeah, that makes sense, Russell. Usually, yeah. All right, Russell, that makes sense. Old account, old Apex, legacy. Yeah, that makes sense. Usually 5 business days. So you can't count the weekends either. It's like 5, actual business days. That's when I got my last Apex payouts. What's up, Dougie Fresh? Bro, just your thoughts. Micros and minis, I'm stuck. I ain't received payouts since last year. Well, if you're struggling, I would, not financial advice, I can't do that with you, but maybe size down. That's probably what I would do, is just size down if I was struggling, but just trading that same edge and try to stay patient. Try to stay patient, especially if you're struggling. I mean, really, the recipe lately for me is just getting in that one trade, 1 to 3 trades still. Those have been my best days lately. And on the funded accounts. But, I haven't been doing that great. I don't even have that many funded accounts right now. I have 2. But since I'm getting daily payouts on them, it really doesn't bother me that much. I've really got to that point where I just love trading a one like daily payout account. Now, do I want more than one? Yeah, sure, but fine. I was close to hitting 10K on my 150K TPD Pro, but NQ kept coming back on me. Close the day 837. Whoa, big day for Alfred. Let's go. $8,371 on 150K Take Profit Trader Pro. Big day. So what he's talking about, 10K. So if you hit 10K, they put you in the Pro Plus, which is nice with Take Profit Trader because you get, it turns into automatically it becomes end of day drawdown, and also you get 90-10 split. And when you start making thousands of dollars taking daily payouts, the extra 10% really adds up. So right now I'm in the 80-20. And when you start putting in, you know, those big numbers, and you see how much money they subtract, it's like, oof, it hurts. I'm in my live accounts with Trade Day. I'm still waiting on them. Still waiting. Haven't gotten them yet. Do I use any instant funded accounts? Yeah, I went on a big run with them with Lucid when they first came out. So I will, yeah, if I can afford it. I definitely like the instant funded. Now, when I got my instant funded accounts, you see, it's been a hot minute with the Lucid accounts, but these were all payouts from the instant funded. These right here, see that says direct. So direct, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,500. And then I switched to the pro accounts, got some nice payouts with the pros. And then I switched to the flex and got a few on April 1st, but I haven't gotten any payouts with Lucid since then. I should have gotten a Lucid Flex up payout recently, but I screwed that up like an idiot after making 3,000 on day one on the account, and then all I needed to do is and then on day two I made $150, and all I needed to do is have another 3 days of $150, but I screwed that up like an idiot. What's up, Helpful? That was this last week. So I need to pick up some more Lucid accounts too. Finally got a top trend line off the open candle. Yeah, kinda. Are we actually gonna push down now? Bottom of the hour. Wow, this market is stupid. Supposedly all live account activation delays are at Tradeovate. Yeah, it's up to Tradeovate. So if you trade with Tradeovate or trade on Tradeovate and then you go live, the paperwork that you submit goes to Tradeovate, so then they have to fix it. If I don't hear anything by Friday, I'll probably just send them a email to see if what's going on. Because you could screw up just something on the application and then it'll be delayed. Like you could misspell your name or something by mistake, or not put the right, if it doesn't match your ID, or you need a buffer right in the instant. Yep. Yeah, on Lucid, instants are 20% consistency. I don't remember exactly the payout rules, but there is a buffer. Let's see, Lucid Direct payout, Lucid Direct payout objectives. So let's just say you have a 50K account. If you get it to 3,000 bucks, you have to be under 20% consistency. So pretty simple. Get to 3,000 bucks, stay under 20% consistency, and you can take out 2,000 bucks. Pretty good rule. Pretty good rules. 20% consistency, you might think, well, that's tough. And it is, and it depends on the type of trader you are, but I really trade these accounts pretty well because I do better with 20% consistency or any consistency rule. So if I just set a rule, like a hard rule for myself saying, well, I can't make more than say 300 bucks a day or whatever it is. And then that's all I go for. I'll go for 300, 300, 300, 300, 300 until I get to 3,000. And I do pretty well at doing that. When I have no rules, no consistency rules, I'm just like swinging for the fence. No, it doesn't take a long time to get to a payout if you do it consistently. Have you ever tried Top One? Yeah, I've tried them. They had some really good deals when they had Project X, and I traded them when they had Project X. I haven't traded them since. For the live, they need ID and POA. Yeah, they need like all kinds of stuff. Thoughts on 2777? I mean, I feel like we're gonna go down and fill this gap because I feel like this gap is just BS. But giveaway time, I guess. Wow, it's so early. I guess gonna have to pump those likes up even more. But yeah, we can do a giveaway. Rules are rules. I forget that we actually have quite a bit of people watching now. 374. Let's I think we got botted a bit, so let's do this real quick. Let's do a shotgun for 3 more minutes. So exclamation point pine in the chat, get it in real quick. So we had over 400 entries. So let's do that real quick. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Get it in real quick. If you have an outside bar short here, it did trigger. It's just no momentum off this though. Went down 3 points. Up 1,400. Oh, oversizing. You like this movement? Pretty slow price action. Yeah. I hate it when you get into a trade and it's this slow, and then next thing you know, you know, it's like you get caught in a bad trade. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna short this. Off the outside bar. All right, give you one more minute to get those entries in. Exclamation point Pine. You have your chance for a Lucid or a Take Profit Trader account. Please smash that like button. Don't go anywhere either. We got 300 people watching. Hope you guys are not just here for the giveaways. One more minute to get those exclamation point Pines in. All right, as soon as we get to 300 users, I am closing entries because that's how many people we got watching. Thank you for the sub. Mastering Me Wealth Management. Is it Mastering Maine Wealth Management? Take one off here. Trailing a stop. There we go. There we go. All right, took one off there. Let the rest run. All right, closing entries. This is for a, I saw someone ask, this is for a Lucid Flex 50K or a Take Profit Trader account. Your choice. If you choose Lucid, you get it right now. If you choose Take Profit Trader, you probably won't get it till tomorrow because I have to email them. Look at this banger here. Smashed. Up 300 bucks now. So finally pushed down and filled those zero prints. I did take the short off that outside 2-minute outside bar. Could we push down and fill the gap? It's a good possibility. It feels like a gap pusher now. Let's do a moose race. Let's do a moose race for Glenn. Nice trade. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So your choice, Take Profit Trader or a Lucid Flex. Both 50Ks. Thank you for using code PIME. Really appreciate the support. That's how we get these accounts. Appreciate that. Shuffling the characters. And good luck, everyone. Does typing one actually help? It helps me. Helps the YouTube This is a random number generator. That's all it is. It's a random number generator. Adrian Chong on the inside lane. We got the Jay Carroll. We got Sherry Robinson up in the middle with an early lead. Good luck, good luck. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Five seconds. Whoa, out of nowhere. Oh, let's go. Moto Timo Trades. Congratulations. Wow. Moto Timo. Andy's a member. How lucky is that? Look, let's see who finished last place here. A lot of names here, 300 names. Liquidity Legend in last place. Sorry. Congratulations, though. Oh no, Jason, you were second. So close. Shit. So close. You got liquidated. Congratulations, Moto Timo. All right, so just took a nice trade off that outside bar. Took it down into these zero prints. What I mean by zero prints is when you have gaps in price, like right through here, through the histogram. So it puts in a zero print, and what I like to look for is groups of them. So let's do a members only. Okay. Let's do a members only real quick. You guys are getting spoiled. Jesus with the membership. Let me go to the... Thank you so much. Let's go. 365 people watching. All right, we're going to give that push down. It feels like we're getting that push down into that gap. Currently up 300. All right, just real quick, I'm going to do a members only race. So I got to switch it to members only. And get it in. 1 minute on the members. Thank you for being a member, guys. Ooh, this is the gap fill. Gap has been filled, I believe. All right, I'll give you guys a minute on the members. Much better chance of winning. I can't believe a member just won the other giveaway. Amazing. All right. Get them all in. All you members in. $30 of you. That's probably pretty close. Jesus, you're in? Yeah, you're all in? All right. Oh, Mr. Tactical, you're in. Last call. 20 seconds. Okay, closing entries. Good luck, good luck. All right, subscribers, you can back to chat. The subscribers, thank you so much. And let me set up this race here. Good luck, members. Moto Timo looking for another win. Can't believe he run the first race. He's won before too. Let's do a swim race. It's getting warmer outside. Let's do a swim race for celebration of Nutty's pool. It's a brand new pool. All right. All right, good luck, everyone. Let me shuffle it up. Shuffling. Go. Good luck, good luck. I can't swim, though, Tony Lanes. Who's it gonna be? 20 seconds. Moto Timo right out into the lead again. Falling back though. Coach Red and Miss K on the top side. Oh, Russell Singh making the Miss K. Russell Singh. Who's it gonna be? Whoa. Russell Singh, congratulations. Congrats. Just Jeremiah coming in last place. Just Jeremiah coming in last place. That's okay. That means you're going to train real hard in the swimming and then you're going to be back next time. But congratulations, Russell Singh. Congratulations, Moto Timo, and congratulations, Russell Singh. All right, market just filled the gap here. Nasdaq. I'm gonna reach out to both of you in Discord. Black guy, yeah. Oh wow, Glenn's got a pet moose hanging out at his house like every single night. Look at this. Isn't that funny? So cool. All right, Russell, I just messaged you. And Moto Timo. Damn, Moto Timo's won twice. On a roll. That's some lucky odds right there. just sent you a message too. The fox just ran by you as well. Jay Carroll, the market just woke up. Yeah, we actually just came back down, filled the gap, took a nice little trade. Obviously, in hindsight, would have wished I would have held it, but that's okay. And yeah, markets woke up a little bit. Look for an outside bar here. Maybe trade it back up to the upside in the middle of the range. Or just like, it'll just... Well, the funny thing is that at the end of the day, it just kind of started to fade, right? Started to fade. So I wonder if it tries to continue this pattern. But I don't know. Top of the hour here in just a few minutes. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for the membership. Appreciate the support. We'll do more memberships, giveaways soon. Moto Timo, I just messaged you on Discord. Market here, 27,750. Okay. Hey, Lassie. Lassifer, what's going on, man? Doing okay. Up about 300, but pretty slow price action, really. Corey the phone trader in the house. Think there's a stream lag? Yeah, there's something going on. Something going on. Yeah, it could be YouTube. Yeah, I don't really know. I noticed there was a little bit of lag. It could be my internet. Yeah, slow. Yeah, well, nice little bear flag break here. Do I try it? Risk 10 points. Let's try it. Little trend line break here. I'm short again. See if we can get that push down. Do you ever get paid from top one? No, I've never gotten a payout from top one. I do have a code with them, but I don't even promote them. I just don't trade with them. I got my hands full. I've never even... I don't even know how to sign in to my affiliate. Yeah, it's been a while since I traded with them. Here's what I traded with Top One, and I ended up blowing the accounts. I did have some pros. 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I tried 8 accounts. I didn't ever get a payout. Top One. They have Tradeovate now? I think they do, right? I'm short, kind of off this trend line break. Little bear flag. Yeah, you got it now. Yeah, maybe I'll look into trading them a little more. If they got Tradeovate, I'll trade with them. It's like Buellanox. Like I got a bunch of payouts for Buellanox. They lost Project X, but they never ended up getting Tradeovate, which is so strange. Not yet, anyways. So I don't know what's going on with that. Y'all remembers what y'all points look like? I only get confused between Top One and Temu One. It's because they got 60% off first user and 50% on instant. That's just want to know. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's not a bad deal. I do have a code PINE. Should give you that discount. And then I gotta look into my affiliate. I've never even checked it since I signed up to be an affiliate. I don't even know how to look in it. Top One affiliate program. That's actually a pretty good deal. Anytime you get an instant funded account for a good price, it's worth a shot. But you gotta be, just be mindful. Especially some of the new ones. But Top One's been kicking around for a little bit. And I don't really know if they have any like weird rules or anything like that, to be honest with you. So I'd have to do a little more research. This is what I've made with Top One and affiliates. $60, $7.56, and $24.31. I don't even know where that money went. It says I got paid in Tapalti. I don't even know what that is. I gotta research that. Hey, it's almost 90 bucks, almost $100 somewhere. But yeah, since the last November. Top One at the bank. Yeah, I mean, well, hey, that's like that's at least an eval. If I can get an eval with them, maybe I take it to a payout. When I traded with them, when I was trading with them on stream, when they had Project X, the affiliate went up pretty quickly. Like, a bunch of people bought. They had a good deal going on. And I think a bunch of people started using using my code. And all of a sudden they reached out to me on email. They're like, "Oh, is there anything we need? Anything you need? What do you need? Do you need this? You need that?" Like, it's like, yeah, no, I don't know. Market's really ripping around tonight. Yeah, risking a 170 on this trade. I'm up 300, but just a little flag break. Stop at that swing high. Might push down to the low. Not really banking on it though. Red hammer on a 10-minute Hoover flag. What's up, Miss K? Looking for $200 a day, no rush. Nice. Have you heard of Edgefold? Do you know anyone who has tried it? It's a website to get strategy ideas and algos. Yeah, I've used Edgefold. I talk about them quite a bit, Beanstalk. I don't have their website anymore, but I've had it in the past. For me, it's like I like probability stuff and I like knowing edges and numbers, but Terry Trades 100 uses it a lot. Give Terry Trades a follow. She actually uses Edgefold quite a bit. But yeah, if you're like looking for systematic stuff, like systematic types trades, and you like placing in that one trade a day or looking for that one trade a day and knowing the probabilities of that stuff, it works pretty good. Yeah, Mr. Zink uses Edgeful. Yeah, he actually streams for Edgeful. Yeah, I like some of their stuff. Like this. This is one of my favorite charts right here that Edgeful has. It's basically showing you losing streaks on your trading. So on the trades that you take. So like, let's just say you have a win rate of 70%. The probability of you losing 3 trades in a row in a 100 trade sequence is 93%. So you think like, well, I got a 70% win rate strategy. I do pretty well. Maybe risking 1-to-1 or whatever, hitting 70%. You're probably doing pretty good at that point. Probably get, passing the evals, getting the payouts, but just realizing that, you could lose 3 trades in a row at 90. It's a 93% probability that you lose 3 trades in a row. By taking that information, you can say, well, I can't oversize on these trades. If I go in with 5 minis on an inside bar break or an outside bar break for me, then I could end up blowing the account on that one trade, or at least 2 or 3 trades, knowing that I'm probably going to get stopped out 3 times in a row at some point. Because I generally fall anywhere between 60 to 70% just taking my normal base hit type breaks on inside bars, outside bars. That's usually generally where I fall. So taking those trades plus a little discretionary like this bear flag break, that's where I usually end up falling. So it's good information to know. Even if you're 90% win rate, the probability of losing 2 trades in a row is 63%, 2 trades in a row. And the probability of losing 3 trades in a row is 9%. And then 4 and 5 start to fade off. It's pretty much 0% if you have a 90% win rate strategy. Like Forex Ike, who trades right around 90% with a negative R&R. So kind of interesting stuff. I like they have a lot of that kind of stuff that I like. So for me, once I was a subscriber to it for a month, I ended up just canceling it because I just really wasn't using the information for my own style of trading. All right, breaking that low, come on. You know what, guys? I didn't even know I was trading my pro account. No daily payouts for me tonight. Because I traded this pro account, I think. Well, I might still get the daily payout. I'm up 245, so I'm eligible for a $930 payout for tomorrow. And I'm glad I just exited out of that trade. We tested that low, and then I exited out because it reacted off that, and I was like, oh, I'm out. Plus, I saw I was trading on the pro account, and I was like, damn. So, I'm off. Anyways, I got $930 payout coming tomorrow. We'll take that. We'll take that. I was up 300. I just lost 255 on that last trade. So we'll take that. Now here's what sucks. I wish, look at that buy up. This is what sucks about take profit or these manual lockouts on Tradeovate is if you go to manually lock out, it locks you out even on all your accounts. So even the evals. So I can't just lock myself out on this one account. But stupid. Have you ever tried Profitable? No, I haven't, Fred. Is it something like Edgeful? I can have 79 losing trades in a row, no problem. Yeah. Fred trades a lot. Scalping. Yeah, I never heard of Profitable. I'm curious what Mastering Wealth Management 2025, is that me as in you, or is that me as in Maine? Curious. Do you have any other Mainers listening to the channel tonight? Wow, what a buy up there off that low. Really holding that low. Let me make sure I switch to the eval now. So up 245 on the pro account tonight. Didn't even know I was trading it. I wanted to take the payout. I still might. Go for it. Or if I can be disciplined enough to not trade the account tomorrow. Georgia, Puro. The Georgia Pines. My father's from Georgia. Well, he was born in Georgia. And then he lived there till he was like 10, 11. What's up, Ethan? Good to see you, man. Grew up Robbins Air Force Base in Georgia. So I am doing a giveaway on my Twitter. If you guys want to join my Twitter, I'll put the link in the chat. Boom. Just moved to Florida. Nice. I want to get a place down in Florida too for the winter. What's up, Digital Nukes? There's my Twitter in the chat, I am doing a giveaway over there at the end of the week. It's for a Take Profit Trader account. And I'm almost at 2,000 followers, so I appreciate if you guys go over there and follow. I'm almost at 2,000. Grandpa was an airman, yep. Yes, he was. I was long, but I stopped run right before the bid up the market. All right, Brian. Oh, man. Yeah, I've taken a few trades. Up okay. Up about 245 on one account. Down 75 on this eval. Really didn't capitalize too well. I should have capitalized more. I got a little, obviously in hindsight. I think what happened is that the other night we came down and then we didn't fill the gap and then just ripped against me, and that really, it's playing in my head because every single night we get these gaps, and sometimes I like to fade the gap and try to get the push back down into it, but it usually happens when you least expect it. Thank you for your service, Grandpa. Thanks, man. He did. He's been gone for a while. But yeah, he did like 50 years. I think 25 in the military, in the Air Force, and then 25 for the Postal Service as a mail carrier. So like 50 years of federal, something like that. I have the plaque actually at my house. Yeah, long time. Took some profit, stop, moved to 761, break even. Nice, good luck. Nice. All right, big outside bar here, but we didn't break it on that next candle. So now we're probably just gonna chop around. How many people we got watching? Let's take a look. $246. Yeah, we stopped doing the give. We stopped the giveaway and lost a lot of people. Your hero. Yeah, he was a good dude. He was a good dude. 266 watching concurrently at the moment. See what I say about the YouTube algorithm with the chat rate? See, it reads the chat rates. So like these are during the giveaways when we hit the 1, so it spikes straight up. So that's why I say it's always good for the YouTube algorithms to get the channel pushed out. That's why. That one's more for free stuff. Yeah, it's all good. Hey, Andalina, what's going on? All right, we got a little bull flag break here. We're gonna snap this and head higher. That's the question. So take a look at gold here. What's gold up to? A little inside bar break on gold. Did we take a little breakout on gold? I haven't taken a gold trade in a while. Am I even on the right contract? Oops. I guess so. I don't know. I don't really trust it. Get the bottom of the hour here in just a few more minutes. Market just went completely dead. And then supposedly we got another Tokyo close or Japan close for holidays. So I guess it's not really opening up until Thursday, which kind of sucks. What's up, Tris? You guys playing the Pirates games? Let's go. Wonder if I can gamble my own. The market literally looks like it's frozen at the moment. I'm signing to take profit and request to pay out. All right, I'm getting signed in here. All right, market's right here, 27,750. How you guys doing tonight? You guys green? You guys red? I know the market's just terrible price action. It's just slow. Absolutely just crawling here. Can't really do nothing with this at the moment. Maybe if you're looking for little tiny baby scalps, but not at the moment. See if Take Profit Trader updated their dashboard. Let's see here. Appreciate everyone using Take Profit Trader. Code Pine. I was able to get some more accounts to give away to you guys. That's pretty good. So we'll do that throughout the week. It has not updated yet. Not updated yet. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. I'm bored as hell. Let's do another giveaway to everyone, even including the Grays. But yeah, we'll just do one more giveaway here. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. This is for a Take Profit Trader account. 50K, Take Profit Trader. I'm bored. You guys got lucky. I'm bored. I'm about ready to hop off the stream. I'm so bored of this market. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry for all those fair weather fans that already dipped out. I'm gonna run it for just a minute here. Well, maybe just like a few minutes. We got let's check it out. We got 255 concurrent viewers. So once we hit 255, I'm gonna shut it down. Or just over, you know, just right around that 255. Try to prevent all the bots from getting in. Can we swim? Well, yeah, we could. We'll do something. Let's do something different. Yeah, we'll do something fun. Let's let me do something I've never done before, maybe. Moose are decent swimmers. Yeah, they actually swim pretty well. You're right. So deer can swim too really well. Thanks, I almost drowned earlier. Very boring all summer. Yeah, you never know. It can be, yeah, for sure. Definitely. I feel like it was a lot worse when, you know, just because of the price of where Nasdaq is compared to 2021. You know, so you get a little more volatility, but yeah, a lot of times summertime action during the New York session was just absolutely sideways. It would be just like this, just floating. Exclamation point Pine. This is for a 50K Take Profit Trader account. Thanks for being here, guys. Even though the market kind of sucks, we did make a little money to get a nice start. I will take this payout. We're up 930, up 245. I mean, 930 for a max payout here. But I'll take whatever's available to me right now, I think. And then maybe I'll maybe keep trading that too. 245. Even though that's a pretty day. Be right around probably 180, 200 bucks. 180, right? After commissions. Not a bad payday. It beats DoorDashing for 8 hours. Beats DoorDashing for 8 hours, that's for sure. All right, just chopping around here, bottom of the hour. Tokyo Open, 30 minutes. So you have to clear the buffer after you pass. Yeah, very, very simple. I'm going to trade. All we take profit trader is that once you pass the account, you get the pro account. It does become an intraday trailing drawdown. But as soon as you get on a 50K account, as soon as you get over 2,000 bucks, you can take a pay. Anything over that, you can take a payout. It can be 100 bucks, 50 bucks, whatever. You can withdraw it, and it goes into your virtual wallet. So once it goes into your virtual wallet, then I think you have to get it to 150 or 250 or something like that in your virtual wallet to not be able to withdraw it without a commission or a fee. But you can buy evals with it or whatever you want. And the nice thing about Take Profit Trader, guys, is that they have a point system too. So when you buy evals, you can work towards getting points and credits. So like this. So see these right here? I have 3,914 points right now. I can actually activate a 25K test account right now. I can click this and get a 25K eval. So you can build up those points, which is pretty sweet. And if you spend enough, you get a free pro account. They feel real bad for you. So they'll give you a free pro account if you get enough points. So pretty sweet with Take Profit Trader. Thank you for using code PINE. Appreciate the support. And it's a monthly fee, right? Yes. But if you get a free account, you do have to pay the activation fee. As far as like if you use your own credits. If you win this account, I'm not 100% sure. I keep forgetting, but I'm 98% sure that I asked this last time and they said you don't have to pay the activation fee if you win the free account from me tonight. But with the credit, if you get those points and you like, if I use that 25K test account eval, actually this account right here, if I pass this account, this 50K, I use the credit on this. So if I pass this 50K, then I'm gonna have to pay the activation fee. But besides that, there's no activation fees if you use code PINE on any of the other evals. But yes, you do get billed monthly. Where Lucid is a one-time fee. So if you're someone that takes their time, then yeah, if it was end of day, yeah, Canon, I agree. So there has to be a give and take in a way. Now Trade Day has end of day accounts, and it works very similar to Take Profit Trader. So, but you're only allowed 3 accounts, and you can't really make as much with Take Profit Trader. In the pro side, they're pretty quick to move you to live, which is perfectly fine. So Trade Day does have those end of day accounts. So if anyone likes that, pretty much the same rules, pretty much a little bit different. You got Trade Day here. Use code PINE with a capital P. Appreciate that support. And I noticed my commissions have gone up a little bit with Trade Day. And I know it's case sensitive and it's a little bit difficult, but yeah, it's Pine with a capital P, or it won't work. I tried to get it changed, but they just won't change it. But here's the end of day accounts with trade day. So you got end of day, you don't, and it stays end of day throughout the funded stage. They also have the static accounts, which means the static drawdown doesn't move. To me, I prefer the end of day. I like this one. It says the most popular. I think this is one of the better accounts that they have. Personally, this is the one I just took 3 of them to live, and I'm still waiting on my live account. But these are the best ones, in my opinion, especially on day 1 payouts, because you can really push it an end of day account on that day 1 and not have to worry about that static drawdown. If you get, the intraday trailing drawdown. If you happen to get a good start throughout the day, and you say you're up $500-600, $800, you're basically building upon the drawdown, right? So if you look at the drawdown here, I got $2,930. If I make another $100 on it, I'll have $3,030. And to me, I look at it like, oh, that gives me more room to work with to try to get that day 1 daily payout where it's an end of day account. Intraday trailing is a little more difficult. I have to trade them a little differently, where I'll tend to scalp a lot. All right, guys. Give you guys about 30 seconds. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. LC, I'd love for you to win one of my giveaways. Yeah. I'd love for you to win. TPT rules are straightforward. I agree. That's the thing. Yeah, don't hedge the accounts. Make sure you close all your, make sure you close your positions. I'm like a stickler for hitting this. Exit all, cancel all, because if you leave an order on by mistake with TPT and the market closes at the end of the day, you will lose your account. It's a hard breach. So that they are stickler on that stuff, but pretty much the rest of the stuff is straightforward. It's like you pass the account, 50% consistency, trade it for 5 days. You can flip for 3 days. If you hit, say, on a 50K account, let's just say you hit 1,500 on day 1, hit 1,500 on day 2, then you can just flip for the next 3 days, pass the account, take that 50K, get it over $2,000. You can do it on day 1. You can do it in the first 5 minutes if you want, if you can. And then anything over that, you take the payout. So simple. And you can have up to 5 accounts. I love it. I love the simplicity of it. Not enough for an eval. Do a Discord only giveaway. I've never done that, but maybe I'll look into doing that in the future. I wouldn't even know how to do that. I'm an idiot when it comes to the Discord. All right, let's do the giveaway here. I closed the entries. Got 267 people over just over we got over 250 something people watching, so that's pretty decent. Okay. All right, guys, you ready for a another giveaway? Let's do it. Let's do a race. All right, we got the monster race going on. Shuffling the characters. There's 267 people in this race. Let's go. Got the monster race. Let's go, let's go. What is this thing? It must be an alien. We got the... I guess this would be Godzilla. The werewolf. T-Rex. Good luck, good luck. Ooh. Logic Mind. You know what? That's almost fitting for that character, too. It's like a robot transformer. Logic Mind. Congratulations. Adrian coming in second place. So close. Adrian coming in second. Who finished last? Ooh, Miss K in the top 10 there. Cranston White in last place. Oh, no. So close. Logic Mind, congratulations. Are you in the chat? Did we see Logic Mind? Oh, you've come in second twice? Oh, man, Adrian. Reminds me of that gorilla that from that one movie. I think it was called Congo or something. Yeah, could be. Oh, he's not there? Not here. Yeah, he's not here. I'm rerunning it. Time's up. Good luck. There's a bit of delay on the stream, so yeah, I tried to tag it too. Wasn't there. Good luck, good luck. Ooh, Ethan, oh, the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. I love Ghostbusters movies, man. The Ghostbuster movies were the best. Oh, this is for a Take Profit Trader account. Take Profit Trader. 50K. Whoa, another robot one. Wow, if you guys are not the robot, you're done. Profits TP. Congratulations. Pegasus in second place. So some Johan in third. Who's in last? Tim Korth in last place. Oh no. Tim Korth in last place. Profits TP. Let's go. All right. Congratulations, Profits TP. Awesome. Congrats, congrats. Ooh, market tried to make new lows there. It's really just nasty. How do I get a robot suit? I know. That's what we need. 2 robots in a row. How about that? If anybody wants to join the Discord, it's free. There you go. And we got Profits TP up in there. Profits TP, are you in the Discord by chance? Or do you want to do the email? Up to you. Discord's easier, but it's okay if we do email. Big cats. Has I talked to you before? Oh, you've talked to me before. Well, yeah, you have. Oh, let's go. Sweet. All right, I got you. There, I just messaged you. I just need your TPT email. All right, guys. Well, I think I'm going to call it there. The market's pretty lame, and I'm bored with the market. Not with you guys, but I'm bored with the market. So you guys are awesome. Thank you for being here tonight. I really appreciate the support. I saw a lot of you guys on My Funny Futures TV this morning, hanging out with me. And thank you guys for using code PINE. If you'd like to support this channel, that's the best way to do it besides just being here every single night. Use code PINE. So My Funny Futures, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, of course, Apex. Still got some good sales going on, guys. So if you guys got any questions, come on the Discord and say it there. And I'll try my best to answer any questions about any prop firms for you guys and whatever you need. So thank you for using code PINE. Like I said, I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow night. I stream here every single night, 5:45 Eastern time till right around 8 o'clock every night. And My Funny Futures TV, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. to 10:30 on My Funny Futures TV. So, and yeah, so Profits TP, I will email Take Profit Trader as soon as I get off here, and you should see a credit in your account of a 50K. You'll see a credit, and it'll be under those credits, right? So you should see that in probably by tomorrow afternoon or something. But thank you so much, and thanks for being here, guys. All right, stay tuned for the outro. Peace.
Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, tell the doubt disappeared, then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move, Take Profit Trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list, Apex Tradeify. The profits exist, hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, Take Profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Tradeify flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. home. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdraw requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. It's sidebar, hold out, sidebar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV.